Want to add scroll animations like these? I'll tell you the easiest way to do that.
Okay, let's go.
First, I'll create an HTML file with some colorful boxes to demonstrate the animation. So our first step is open any browser and search GitHub scroll in animation. Click this one and scroll a little down. You'll find this script. Copy it and make sure to paste it before closing the body tag. Go back to your browser and copy the link tag just above that script and paste it in the head section. Now for adding animation and its attributes, this is what we need, but commonly not all of them are necessary. So we'll copy this one which has the animation name and animation duration inputs. We might also need to control delay of the animation. We can filter out what we need and add it to our code. There are various animations like different direction fade, flip, slide, zoom. You can check them yourselves. You can add them by adding the Github-AOS attributes inside any component in your website. Here 1000 means 1 second and the maximum value it can take is up to 4 seconds, that is 4000. So here's the result. If you want to add the delay to, then just add the delay attribute and set a value. Now just for knowledge, Github-AOS is for animation name. The offset value is like from how way the animation should start. Its value unit is in pixels by default. Then duration that you already know. Then how the animation should start and end. The mirror one is for if you want to give an outro. Then there is finally anchor placement, which defines the position of the element or anchor relative to the viewport that triggers the animation. Hope it helps you. Please don't forget to subscribe for more ideas. See you in the next one.